Okay, so now that we've got our UI done in the storyboard, we've got our IB outlets for the emoji button, the collection view, and also the IB action for our emoji tapped. Well, we don't need to look into this storyboard anymore, so I'm just going to be in the view controller for now and close this all like this. Command X code. Right. Okay. Let me just remove some space as well and clean that up quickly. So all we need here now is, well, actually a few things. So first we want to open and close this this drawer, right? So when we have selected the emoji that we want to add in the view, well, we don't want to have all the collection view still being apparent, right? So to do this, we are going to create two handy functions. We are going to have our function open drawer and then func close drawer. Okay, so when we start, the drawer is open, right? And it's got its normal position. So first thing we need to do is to close that drawer. So I'm going to come here and we're going to use a little animation. So if I call UI view dot animate, we're going to create a 0.3 second animation that's going to be I forgot. Okay, so we've got our collection view and our emoji button, but we don't have access to this drawer or the blur view basically. So I need to create an IB outlet for this as well. Sorry guys, I forgot to do this in the last lecture. So if we just open the assistant editor in here and make sure that you select this visual effect view. And instead of manual, I've got automatic, good, and here I'm going to call that, so control click and drag as an outlet, and that's going to be my drawer. Connect. Okay, good. So let's go back, view controller, close the assistant editor so we have more space. And in here, now I can access my drawer. So self.drawer.transform, and that's going to be equal to, right, so what we want is to have the emoji button to still be apparent, and that's 28 points in height. So what we need to do is to hide 100 points of that view, right? So what I'm going to do is to create a CG affine transform, and here I'm going to translate, so X 0 and Y is going to be 100. And that's all we need really. So when the emoji is tapped, well, we need to check, is the drawer open or is it closed? So we need a little variable for this, is drawer open, and at first is going to be false. Okay, so this is false. This means that if I close the drawer, it's going to be true. And if I open the drawer, it's going to be false. Now we can reverse this as well. If I open the drawer, so instead of translating by 100, all we need to do is to do dot identity, and this will make it come back to where it should be, where we basically set it with our constraints. Okay, so Never used. Oh yeah, it's not a variable, sorry. It's just like that. Good. So actually you can probably make this the first thing you do straight away. So when we open the drawer and when we close the drawer. So now we can check. When we tap, so where is, so my IB function in here, so if is drawer open, then we do something. So if it's open, we basically close the drawer, else we open the drawer. So yeah, that should be about right. Let's just run this and see how it looks. Okay, so I've got this drawer at the bottom, and if I tap on the emoji, nothing is happening. Excellent. So let's debug that. Stop. Okay, so emoji tapped. If is drawer open, if it's open, you close it. Is the drawer open? It is open actually, so sorry, so yeah, I'm going to put true. Open drawer, so is drawer, yeah, actually that would be true here. Open drawer, is it open? Yes. Close drawer, is it open? No. I always get those wrong for some reason, but hey, you only have to debug this once to understand that you got it wrong, right? I mean, with a boolean, it's kind of one or the other, isn't it? Right, let's rerun. Hopefully I got it right this time. So let's tap on this emoji. Hey, okay, open, close, open, close. And if I tap anywhere else, I still have this, what are they called again? I'll remember the name before the end of this section. I should know that. Anyway, this is working, this is great. Let's have a look in, shall we stop? Yeah, let's just make another video. So I'm going to show you how to fill in the collection view. See you in the next video.